Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to tell you about a browser that I've just downloaded. It's really good. It's called Opera GX. This is the browser. It's got like, you can go on Twitch, Discord, Reddit, YouTube and stuff. It's also got Discord integration, just or whatever you call it. Also like WhatsApp and stuff. And it tells you the weather and yeah, really cool. And it's really fast, and it's got a built-in VPN as well. So yeah, it's really cool. So what it is called Opera GX. Yeah, here it is. Click on that, then just press download Opera GX. It's really good, and yeah, please like and sub, and see you in the next one. Bye.